Hi friends, welcome to the daily current affairs quiz discussion. Today is 13th of April. Let us start our discussion, guys. The very first question I have framed on geography map based question. Guys, you can see today the region of Dandkaranya was in news in the newspaper. You can see this article which came in the Hindu newspaper about a Muria tribe which fled Dandkaranya region from Chhattisgarh during the conflict between the left-wing extremists and the state-sponsored Salva Judum, and they left to Andhra Pradesh in the district of Alluri Sitaraman Raju. So guys, you all know that there are some regions in India which is called as India's Red Corridor, which are affected by Naxalism. So in this context, what did I do is that I have framed the question in such a manner. I have kept those regions, those forests which are generally affected by left-wing extremism, and I have given match with the states. So Dandkaranya forest is in Chhattisgarh, this is incorrect. Saranda forest is in Jharkhand, this is correct. And Gadchiroli forest is in Maharashtra, this is incorrect. So you get the answer as only one. Okay, guys. So you can get question on India's red corridor also. Okay, where is India's red corridor located? Or you can get question on tribes, Muria tribes, which are the tribes which are in Dandkaranya region, which are the tribes in Saranda region, which are the tribes in Gadchiroli region. This kind of questions you can get. Let us move on, guys. The second question, consider the following statements. Statement 1 says in India, candidates cannot appeal to voters on the basis of religion, race, and caste. Section Statement 2 says Section 123 of the RPA Act provides for systemic appeal of a candidate on the grounds will amount to corrupt electoral practice and they can be banned, they can be imprisoned. So this is correct. This is also correct and this is the correct explanation of this. So we have answer A as correct. You can see this was taken from the newspaper where now elections are coming. So many politicians are filing their like the declaration, and in that there are various provisions, okay, on which they can be disqualified. One of them is section 123, which basically talks about corrupt act practices such as bribery, undue influence, false information, promotion of enmity. They cannot do, and they cannot do, and if they do it, then they can be, okay, banned. Next question, you can see about two-third of the world's micro semiconductor chips that power everything from mobile phones to electric cars is produced by? Answer is Taiwan. So guys, Taiwan is in news because of conflict. However, we should not forget that Taiwan is also very important for the world because Taiwan is the largest producer of semiconductors chip which powers electronic devices. And guys, you can see here here is Taiwan and this is the Taiwan Strait, okay, which is between the China and Taiwan. So geographically, Taiwan Strait is in news because of increasing tensions between China and Taiwan. Next question, guys, you can see here. Consider the following pairs: mountain ranges and continents. Andes, South America; Rockies, Africa. No, this is USA. Atlas, Europe. This is also incorrect. It is Africa. And Urals, it is also incorrect. It is basically Europe. So guys, if you see in the last 2 days, Andes and Urals were in news because Urals there was a flood because of breaking of a dam on the Ural River, and Andes was in news because of water shortage in Bogota, which is located on Andes. So in this context, I have framed this question. You can see here that only one is correct. You can see this. Okay, one of the world's highest cities starts rationing water. Okay, so this is Bogota, which is located on Andes. So you can get this question. And flood waters in Russia's Ural mountains, forcing people to evacuate. So guys, you all know that recently there was a dam on the Ural River which broke down in the city of Orks. So in this context also, this topic is very, very important. So you can get this question. So please do prepare. Ural Mountain. Guys, Ural Mountain is basically situated at the okay border of Europe and Russia. Okay, very very important. Ural Mountain. Next question, you can see last question. Consider the following: Fiji, Kiribati, New Zealand, Papua Guinea, Solomon Island, and Tuvalu. How many of the above are part of Pacific Island Forum? Guys, Pacific Island Forum is in news. You can see here. China defense security offer to Tonga for Pacific Island Summit. Guys, Pacific Islands are these countries you can see here: Tuvalu, Samoa, Cook Island, Tonga, Fiji. These are Pacific Islands. They are strategically located between Australia and the USA and China. So these islands are becoming very, very important. So Pacific Island Forum is a forum of 18 countries which was established in 1971 for cooperation and development of this region. You can see apart from these small islands, we also have Australia and New Zealand as part of this. You can see the total number of islands. You can see here Australia, Cook Island, then Micronesia, Fiji, then Polynesia, Kiribati, Nauru, Caledonia, Palau, Papua, Marshall, Samoa, all these kinds of Tuvalu, Tonga, Vanuatu. This is very, very important. Guys, I believe this topic can come this year's prelims also. Okay, because India also had a forum with Pacific Island and which was established in 2014. So this is a very important topic. So with this guys, I come to the end of this video. You see guys how I have okay included a lot of topics which are very important from the prelims point of view. So please do practice this. Thank you, fine. Bye bye. Take care.